Hi guys, what's up? Thank you for being here today. If you are new here, what is up? My name's Nancy and I'm gonna be playing around with my new Dyson Air Wrap. So if you saw my other video, I finally got my hands on the new Dyson Air Wrap Complete Long. I guess that's the name that they decided on. I'm assuming they're calling it Complete Long because it's basically the complete set. Like, you literally don't need any other tools besides what you get in here. And also they included the long barrels that you no longer have to purchase separately, which is awesome. We're gonna play around with it and we shall see what my hair looks like. So I just washed my hair today and it's obviously still kind of wet. I am going to blow dry it a little bit, about 75 to 80% dry. And then I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of some curling with the curling wand. So that's what we're doing today. I'm not going anywhere, so I don't feel the need to like go nuts on my hair. Like, I just want to look presentable. By the way, I did my makeup like super basic, natural. This is my natural look, okay? But I went to Trader Joe's the other day with Kevin's mom and she was like raving about this facial spray and I got it. And you know what? I love it. I love it. It's supposed to be hydrating and refreshing, but something about like the spray itself just gives you like a really cool mist. Like, it refreshes you. So I love that. And then I also tried this for the first time. So this is interesting. It's the Trader Joe's Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer with aloe and green tea extract. And it's a gel, however, it's not very jelly. I don't know if that's even the right word that I should be using, but it's obviously more of a cream, but it's like a gel, but it's not like jelly. It's a little bit more watery. I don't know. That was the weirdest way to describe it. But by the way, I'm loving it. I also put it on at night and I feel like it really hydrates my skin throughout the night. Also, it's super useful to have clips like this because you can always clip the curl and have it like last longer. So let's get to it. What I normally do is I like to split my hair in half and then brush it through. I feel like it just makes it easier. And this is just like this is like the way that I like to curl my go-to hairstyle. Otherwise I would be doing it in a bunch of sections, which if you want super nice curls, I would say section it up, like, you know, lower and then a little bit higher. But I'm literally not going anywhere besides probably getting some groceries. I don't really need to look like I'm gonna go to a wedding or anything, you know what I mean? So we are gonna blow dry it, and I mentioned that they changed the blow dryer attachment, right? So in order for us to be able to use the blow dryer, we are going to switch it. Boom, there's the blow dryer attachment, and then when we are ready to use the flyaway, we switch it back, and then the flyaway tools are actually right here, so you just lay it on your head this way. But for now, we're going to be using the blow dryer attachment. I found that this one is a lot more powerful as far as their blow drying system. Like, it just feels like it dries way faster. Okay, I don't think my hair was too wet because by the time that I finished doing my makeup, I just feel like that kind of dried it a little bit. And I do feel like this blow dryer is a little bit more powerful than the last version, so I also feel like it's just way faster at blow drying. I'm gonna take this attachment off and I'm gonna go with the thinner curling barrel. They also have the thicker one, so this is what they look like if you want to compare it. I'm gonna go with the thinner one just because, and then it has the little arrows here. So I would say easier way for you to know what way it is going is point it to the mirror and actually see what way the arrow is pointing. So we are gonna go ahead and let's do this first curl right here just so you can see. So I would hold it kind of towards the end, turn it on, do it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're gonna do the cool shot, which is basically pressing this button up. Pressing this button up for 10 seconds, and it's just gonna do cold air, and it's gonna cool and set that curl. All right, so we are gonna go ahead. And the cool shot. And did you see how it just wraps it around your hair? So this is what it looks like. I know it looks a little bit strange right now, but I promise once you finish doing your hair and you kind of run your brush or fingers through, it's gonna look so much better. I mentioned these clips. If you really wanted your curls to last, you can always pin the curls and have it cool for a little bit of a longer time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the next piece. Do we see how effortlessly as well? So when you hold it at the end, the wand and the air just, it does it all for you. All you have to pretty much do is like bring it in, and it's just gonna completely wrap it. If you want more of like a tighter curl and you want your hair to be wrapped around tighter, you can like twist it with this part at the top right here, and it would give you more of a tighter curl. And once you get the hang of your hair, like especially when I'm just doing a very, very quick curl, my hair is done like from dry to curl, I would say in like 15 minutes. So it really does not take very long. As soon as you just get it down, then it really doesn't take long. Okay, so now we're gonna be switching it to the other side. So we're gonna just do a quick clip to the other side, and you're able to see that I switched it. And now we're ready to curl this side. So same thing, the wand's already gonna know what way the direction is going, and we're just gonna put it right at the end and wrap it around. Alright, I'm gonna continue to do this throughout my head because like I said, I'm not sectioning it, you know, like I normally would, where you start from the bottom and then bring a little bit from the top and a little bit from the top. Like if I was really going somewhere and I really wanted the best hairstyle, I would take my time, but I'm really not going anywhere. I'm probably just going to the grocery store, so I'm just trying to show you guys what the curls look like. And I'm also trying to get used to this new hair tool because it is a little bit different than the last one, and I look hilarious looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm starting to look like Benjamin Franklin with these clips in. But let me finish my hair really quick and then we'll be right back. Crazy, but I am gonna have these set for a couple of minutes, and you really don't even have to do this. I just find that it does help with your curls lasting. And then I'm just gonna finish it off by using the flyaway tool just to get a bunch of the flyaways up at the top. And that is pretty much it. I mean, I'm still learning how to use all the other tools, so I might do a video on how to use this because I'm gonna learn how to use it and we'll find out. Also, the straightening brush, I need to make sure that I show you guys what it looks like to straighten your hair with this thing. I don't even have patience for the couple of minutes, so we're just going to let them loose, you know? Let them loose. The volume is crazy, incredible. And this makes your hairstyles just really look like you spent some time on your hairstyle, and you really didn't. So I'm gonna run my hair through because I want it to be more voluminous than, you know, but like that literally took me just a couple of minutes. And do we see the volume here? It's literally amazing, okay? Amazing. And the shine, the bounce, the curl, it's incredible. So incredible. I highly, highly, highly suggest you girls definitely saving some money for it because I definitely think it's worth it. And this is still without product. So if you want to add product, texture, spray, anything like that, it will definitely make your curls last longer. Like, I'm literally not going anywhere and my hair is ready to go somewhere, you know? Let me try the flyaway tool. So let's say my hair was parted in the middle, right? So I'm gonna switch the curling wand to this blow dryer again, and we're gonna switch it back from the blow drying to the flyaway tool. And for this one, I don't think it really needs much power because you're just doing the flyaways. So I'm gonna just put it all the way at the bottom. What I'm still kind of learning is that you do have to obviously tell it what, because you're gonna lay it this way, so you have to tell it what way to push the air, whether it's obviously left or right, but. Turn it up just a little. Okay, so that was a few seconds, and I don't know if you can even tell. Oh yeah, you can. This side looks really frizzy still, right at the top, and this side is like super smoothed out, so you can definitely tell. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so now, okay, do we see how freaking beautiful? Like, it almost gives you an extra like shine when you do that. Like, do we see this? It's super shiny. There's no flyaways. It's just incredible. I love this, you guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. And you really don't need another hair tool. I'm about to go to the grocery store, and these curls just feeling so freaking good for what took me 15 minutes. Okay, can we take a look at these curls? This is just my hair, obviously all on one side, but look at this. I don't have any texture spray. I don't have any product on my hair. So I think it looks pretty damn good. It is worth it. In my opinion, it is worth it. This was just a quick hairstyle. I know I can do so much more with this if I really took my time to, you know, do my hair, but this is quick, and there's so much volume, so much shine. It's amazing. I really highly recommend it. And I, like I said, sign up for notifications because I know right now it is just extremely hard to get your hands on. It's definitely worth getting your hands on. So if you have an anniversary coming up, a birthday, a Christmas, like heck, I don't know, tell your mans that this is like your birthday gift and your Christmas gift, like all in one, because it is just that worth it in my opinion. My hair has never been healthier, and I can even do my hair like this almost every day or every other day, and my hair's still super shiny and super healthy, which is what I love. And I've been using this, because I was using the other one for like 2 years or so, almost 2 years, and as you can see, my hair is still pretty healthy. It's still growing, and I love it. I have no complaints about it besides the price. I know it's pricey, but like I said, it's worth it. You're not gonna need any other tool besides this one, and once you get the hang of it, it's super easy to just do your hair in 15-20 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to make videos using the other attachments because, like I said, I'm still learning how to use this new one. Although I'm familiar with the other Airwrap, this is a little bit different. It was a little bit difficult for me to understand how to work the flyaway tool and just, you know, random little things like that. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to drop it in the comments. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.